As a data owner in your organization, you're probably already using the principles of least privilege, so only people who need access to your data can have access to that data, and that's great. But every so often you need to recertify that that is still the case. Some people may come into your organization or may leave your organization, and you need to make sure all of your data is secured properly. Let's go ahead and begin a recertification. Let's begin a new one for a file server, and we're specifically interested in our human resources group. And let's start that new certification. In the Human Resources folder, we actually have several users and groups who have access. And maybe we don't need all of them. Lucinda no longer works in Human Resources, so we should remove that permission. So select her, and we want to remove those rights. We'll put in a quick note for our audit trail. And then we can either save our progress or execute the actions right now. Now, what's nice about being able to save our progress is if this is an incredibly long list, or there are lots of groups or nesting or anything like that, you can come back to it and continue that recertification process. Just go to recertification and continue an existing one. But let's say you're ready to go. You can just hit execute actions. In the event that you don't have enough rights to actually do this work, a message will go to the admin who has the privileges to do that. Once they do it, they can put in their own notes in the audit trail and send it on its way. And it's really easy to just recertify your permissions on any file server, Active Directory, or pretty much anything else Access Rights Manager watches.